Alright folks, today we're fixing boring collars with needle and thread because hot glue guns are for quitters. Step 1. Grab your grandma's sewing kit. Yes, the one she used to threaten your grandpa with. Thread that needle like you're auditioning for Project Runway. Spoiler, him gun won't clap. Now stab that fabric like it owes you money, gentle. Now, this is revenge for boring collars. Sewing tip: if your thread tangles, just whisper Taylor Swift lyrics and pretend it's artistic. Attach the flower like you're proposing to your shirt. Will you accept this DIY accessory? If it looks lopsided, call it abstract art and blame the thread for having commitment issues. Pro tip: hide your mistakes with sequins. Glitter covers sins, just ask my college years. Now strut around like you're on a runway. Bonus points if pigeons mistake you for a garden. Remember, every stitch is a tiny middle finger to fast fashion. You're basically Gandhi with a thimble. If anyone roasts your flower, say it's vintage and walk away. Confidence is key, or just run. Thanks for watching. Next week, how to embroider a sweater. Spoiler, it's just sad.